2025 BMW M4 Competition. Got the Valvetronic system on there. Pretty sweet setup. Look at the interior on this thing. Full racing seats, pretty badass, carbon fiber everywhere. Got the bucket racing on there. Brand new, 2025. This thing is pimp. Red interior, blue exterior. I mean, the spec on this is kind of outrageous. What do you think this costs, Jay? 120 grand? Easy. $120,000 BMW M4, the full titanium system. So this thing's absolutely spec to the T. Carbon fiber rear wing, carbon fiber license plate cover, rear diffuser carbon fiber roof. Got a carbon fiber mirrors on there, carbon fiber front grille, carbon fiber intake skirts. This thing's sick. So with the X-Drive system on the new BMWs, you have the ability to turn off the front wheel drive, make it only rear wheel drive, turn it into a little drift car, which is pretty sweet. Also with the Valvetronic system, you have a little bit more control on the exhaust. So you have a remote that can open it up in variables. So like 25%, 50%, 75%, and then obviously 100%. So it doesn't just work with the M1 button anymore. You have its own remote. Valvetronic does provide a nice little remote that can open up a little bit more than factory. Sounds pretty sick. A little zingy in my opinion, but full titanium catback on an M4. I mean, pretty standard. You get that kind of raspiness from all these kind of systems. My recommendations, maybe go with the AWE, it's a little bit deeper. But if you want a titanium system with the valve control, Valvetronic does make a decent system. Not our favorite system at Gexhaust, but we get the job done, we install it. The interior cabin noise is a little aggressive, but you know, customers should be happy. This interior is kind of wicked, bro. So if you're looking for a system like this, just reach out to us, gexhaust.com. Our site's currently being worked on, but if you are looking for something like that, just reach out to us. Our number's pretty much plastered all over the internet, Instagram, YouTube. Comment below, like, comment, subscribe. You got Meisterschaft, you got AWE, you got a bunch of different setups for this car. So if you're interested, reach out. You got an M3, M4, M5, M6, all of them. We're doing all the kinds of exhaust for it. So reach out to us. If you have any questions, hit us up. We out.